Hello, friends. Welcome once again to my channel, Healthy Diet. Today, also, I brought a very nutritious one. Today, I brought a salad that is essential for everyone. We should eat raw vegetables that are good in every form. Vegetables, these are make tastier so that we can relish and we can enjoy them. Today, I've tried this that a bowlful or a plate vegetable, if it is eaten, it is a counter of a lot of nutrition of daily requirements. In today's this salad, it is the basic one, basic vegetables which you get from a home. Friends, subscribe, like, and share my channel, and tell me how it is made. You can put a comment. Welcome to Healthy Diet. Stick on to my channel if you want to see more nutritious dishes that can be added to daily life. Let's see. Let's have a look how it can be formed. This one, I've taken basic vegetables which are found at every home. I've taken of my choice. You can take any that are of your choice. I've taken radish. I've taken carrots. I took pea seeds. These basic three with some spices, lemon and ginger. First of all, take vegetables which are cut in the thin pieces. First vegetable I took, that is carrots. Carrots are thinly sliced. See, these are very thin slices cut into small pieces out the round, or I cut it like it. If you want, you can cut it in some other form also. Thin slice they are. Put them in a bowl so that we can add some spices to it. First I took these carrot pieces. Then see, these carrots, they are very good for immune system. They're very good for eyes. They are good source of vitamin A, minerals and others. If and then second thing I added, that these are peas. Green peas are also very good for human body. It is a good source of protein, vitamins and minerals. If they're consumed daily in any form, they're very, very good. Raw vegetables are very nice comparatively. Cooking also kills their nutrition. So basic, these two things are so healthy that if you eat one little bowl or a half cup or one some part of it, add it to your lunch or dinner. If you do not eat vegetables, you speak out things, then also you can do with other junk foods and all things. How you can make it? See, I added half salt, half spoon salt, little black salt, spread over it, red chili flakes half spoon chaat masala to make it spicy, and lemon I seeded, took out all the seeds, and evenly, that is, you can sprinkle over. See, one big lemon that is needed to make these tender. Now you can mix properly. You can see, again and again toss it so that it covers every part of it. It is mixed properly so that it is palatable and it is nice to taste. Better cover it, and then, because there is none vegetable in it which is spoiled even by threshing toss. See, yes, like this you can mix all the things, you can mash and see, then it will be very nice to taste, of course. Yes, now in a serving bowl, or you can decant it, you can remove it directly. Yes, see, you can now you can sprinkle some more lemon juice, because lemon juice tenders them. Then they'll be palatable. Lemon juice, lemon is a very nice ingredient. It has vitamin C in a good form. It is good vitamin C that is good. It restores your immune system. It gives you energy, vigor, and good for many more things. Okay, let's see our next part. In the same bowl, take the radish. First wash it, peel it, and then cut into thin strips. You can cut any way. I cut in the form of strips, and then again sprinkle the lemon juice. Half or 3/4 lemon that will be needed, the big one. And then you can sprinkle some chilies. If you don't want to put, leave, because this itself is chilious. And the black pepper, just bit of it, because this radish itself is chilious. If you don't put, then also it will do. Some salt, half spoon salt. Then toss it so that it is mixed properly. Every part of it, that some lemon juice more, so that every part covers it. Every part of the radish that is covered by the lemon and the other spices that are put. Yes, toss it properly so that, yes, toss it so that it is palatable and more tasty. Friends, radish is so good for our skin. It is good for our blood. It is blood purifier, and even it helps in blood cell formation. People who suffer from jaundice and scarcity of blood, anemia, this salad is ideal for them. Pale skin turns out to pink one within a month or month and a half if you regularly consume this. It is very good. It is blood purifier. It gives nourishment to every part of body. It is good in fiber. It has many more things. It is very nutrition, friends. Nutritious, friends. You can have it with tea, morning, evening, and even with lunch or dinner. If you can't consume more, just bit part of it. You can even, I've not put anything that will spoil. You can refrigerate it, and it can be used for days rather. Now you can decorate it in as you like. Put a bit of broccoli and cauliflower, whichever you want to put. If you want to decorate, that's upon you. Now you can put some parsley leaves or coriander leaves. See? And some mint leaves, of course. Yes, it is ready. Relish. Wow, very nutritious salad. It is ideal for the people who are undergoing dieting and want to remove their belly fat. This is ideal, a bowlful, because it is appetizing. It improves all your digestion things as well. It is full of, it gives you a lot of energy also, and refresh you. It refreshes you, and it's very good. It is a very healthy one and very nice and delicious one, and within 5 to 10 minutes you can make it. Yes, you can enjoy it in any form you like. Friends, if you like it, subscribe, like, share, and of course in comments you comment and tell me so that I can improve it better. Thanks for watching. Remain healthy, remain happy. Bye. Thanks once more.